In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get an Ebsco host folders account. From the Marks Libraries webpage, you can see here I'm in Chrome and I've navigated to the Marks Library webpage. And I want to go to the One Search box, and below the One Search box, click on Advanced Search. If you are off campus, you'll have to log into the library's databases using your JAGNet credentials. Once you've signed into the Ebsco host platform, you see this blue menu bar at the top, and there's a button that says Folders. To get to your folders account, or to create a folders account, click on Sign In, and you will have a welcome box. I would advise you not to continue with this Google link, but click Sign Up. And then you just fill out this short form and create your own email and password. Remember what your email address you've used, and remember your password. Otherwise, you'll have to go in and ask Ebsco to help you find that. So once you've done that, you will be able to save articles that you find in the library's databases so that you can access them later. More about that in the next tutorial.